Hello, welcome to our second BTech Talk. Today, we will discuss the terminologies that we often hear when we talk about the Salesforce Health Cloud. It is undoubtedly the most powerful CRM ever built for the healthcare system. It is an ideal patient management software taking into account more customized associations, cooperations across healthcare groups, and cooperations with EHRs, and a lot more. Let us take a quick glance at the Health Cloud. So what precisely is a Salesforce Health Cloud? Basically, it assembles and develops upon the core features of a Salesforce CRM with capacity and attributes focused on the necessity of patients, healthcare providers, and payers. Health Cloud provides healthcare professionals with the tools they require in order to collaborate efficiently. It also assists care team members understand patients better and provide personalized treatment. For payers and insurance companies, it provides essential functionalities, helping them work efficiently. It is a state-of-the-art healthcare industry-specific solution that provides a mixture of clinical and relationship management capabilities to provide both patient tracking and patient outreach functions. Let us have a look at the key terminologies that help us navigate the platform with ease. Care team. This consists of doctors, nurses, medical assistants, healthcare navigators, even administrative professionals who interact with the patient at some point of his or her journey. In Salesforce, healthcare team can also be termed as a case team because they have access to the patient case. The level of access to a case can be predetermined while adding the team member, such as read-only or read and write access. These are subgroup of the care team. Individuals or companies who perform the healthcare service, for example doctors or healthcare systems in which they work, come under a provider. As a healthcare organization, it is imperative to choose the right healthcare provider who is certified to deal with specialized infirmity. The provider data model connects physicians, practitioners across the provider network with the patients at a single glance. It also has the bandwidth to connect the providers who are a part of the member's insurance plan to them. Payers. These are institutions that look after financial and operational parts of providing healthcare. Very often, payers are insurers or provider networks that help cover the cost of a patient's care. EHR. It is an electronic health registry that contains the patient's electronic health record. EHR systems are positioned as a combination of practice management, electronic health records, and medical billing. Specific functions including scheduling patient reminders and e-prescribing. HL7. Health Level 7 International is a standards development organization that is created for the transfer of clinical and administrative data between software applications used by various healthcare providers. These standards are formats and definitions developed explicitly for medical companies. Electronic health records are shared and developed using this standard to reduce the administrative burden on providers and staff while providing healthcare delivery. These terminologies are vastly used in the Salesforce Health Cloud, and it is imperative to understand how they are used in the CRM. For more details about the Health Cloud, stay tuned for an insightful webinar hosted by Salesforce on the 6th of February to gain in-depth knowledge about these terms and a lot more. Thank you.